Hi, I just want to go over some things with the independent study. And one part of the independent study is going to be doing a weekly log. I decided to use Google Forms and I set it up like this. If you have any suggestions, let me know and I can do some changes. It will be linked on my ecology website for now, but I am planning on making a website for the independent study. So once a week, by Thursday or Friday, you will be filling out this log. And as you can see, you have your name, the date, and use the date ending with a Friday. So the 7th is a Friday. And then first question, describe what you did this week in the independent study. So I gave you an example about what I did. This week during first lunch, I monitored a station. I noticed students are catching on to the recycling process and in general know where things go. Occasionally, I will ask if they need help. I've also been closely monitoring the compost bins and have noticed that people are just putting plastic in the bins. Perhaps labeling them would help, or accepting people are going to mess it up once in a while. I help sort the recyclables in the closet. For the most part, people are putting things where they should go, but milk's an issue. I weighed and totaled all the stations and put recycling in designated places. So, sometimes this is going to look very similar, but occasionally you might have some changes in there. Describe challenges. This I would assume is going to change some. So I put by Monday, the bins are full of recyclables, so there isn't anywhere to put them. Also, the compost company, after they pick up the compost, they're leaving plastic out on the ground near the fence, which will need to be picked up. Milk is still going into the stations, making a mess, and stations during lunch are not always being monitored by a teacher or student. So here are my suggestions. Contact Garbage to Garden about plastic being left in the ground. Follow up with the town to get more bins. Go to real life classes to try and get students to monitor stations and put an announcement in about the milk. So I'm going to expect that you have some detail in here. It's once a week and I will be putting that in the grade book to be graded. And again, if you have questions about anything, please let me know.